overall, the dartboard is really good. Sometimes it shows fingerprints. The chalk does work fine. Sometimes the eraser smudges, but that's totally whatever. It definitely holds. The only issue is sometimes it hits the metal pieces and it bounces back, so it can like come back at you and also fall down, obviously. And I have broken one piece, and I don't think they come with replacements, but they've lasted, it's been a year, not daily use, but a good amount, and it works, and it is fun. So overall, I would get one.
Erase is good, doesn't leave lines. White's good. I'll even throw one dart.